the truth about finding life purpose and why, right? Why most people fail at it. You see, if we were to think about it, is the reason why so many people, when it comes to life purpose, now some people they just lucky, they just when they're born, they they knew exactly what to do, and they go on and chase after that, their life purpose. And some people they just stuck, and I don't know if you can relate. It's just frustrated, it's soul searching, and you do all the work, but it just won't cut it to truly discover the life purpose. The truth is that number one is because negative attitude. When people talk about life purpose, they just like, meh, yeah, don't really want to care. They don't like interested in it. What does that mean to live a fulfilled life? They don't want to know about it, or happy or joyful life. I don't care. So that negative attitude towards the idea itself, that's why most people fail. Because to learn something, to get to know something, you have to open yourself to it, to its influence, whatever it is. Whether it's finding your life purpose, the meaning, to find through joy and happiness. It starts with mental attitude. It starts with the negative. If we start with a negative mindset about it, then we'll never discover it. So that's the number one, what could say, reason that blocking a lot of people from finding their life purpose. And then the second is the refuse to ask for help. They maybe admire someone. They're like, oh, that person, or that woman, she lives the life that I want to create. Okay. However, right, they're holding themselves back from ask the question. They refuse to go and ask for help. And as a result of that, they know that that's the right thing to do. They know. However, they refuse. Again, this is connected to the negative mindset, the negative attitude. And that combined with the fear of or refuse to ask for help, then what are the chances, right? What are the chances to find your life purpose? And number three, right? People numb themselves out. They numb themselves out through alcohol, drugs, sex, and Netflix. They just don't want to. When it comes to writing, like journaling, and ask the question, like the powerful question: what is my purpose? Why I'm here? Who am I? And all the questions that will lead you to self-knowing. It's like too much. So many people, they say that's just it's too much. Or work with a coach. It's like, I don't need one. Again, it comes down to the negative attitude. So there you have it. Why a lot of people they don't find their life purposes for that reason. They have that negative attitude towards life. They numb themselves out. They don't really want to ask for help, right? So if you want to find your life purpose, the truth, right, finding a life purpose is that you have to learn to open yourself, willing to learn, willing to discover, learning to journaling and self study, my friend. And as I said, like some people, they just born and they knew exactly what to do, and they dedicate themselves to it. And some people, they have to go through the journey of self-discovery. There you have it. First, my friend, if you want to find your life purpose, remove all those blockages, I call it, the blockages, that negative mindset. I trust you gain some value out of this, my friend, and that's the truth of finding your purpose. So for you to find your purpose, remove all the negative attitude and go and ask for help. And last but not least, of course, it's the most important one, and that is to really go deep into self-study rather than numb ourselves, because it's the easiest. It's really easy to numb ourselves than to actually study about ourselves. So choose the first one. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.